Ultimate privacy on 0.73 acres. Nothing like it on Lake Murray. Clear views of the dam. Lot is located in the center of Lexington on your own island retreat. Exclusive address, exclusive location, gorgeous water. Gated entry, private road. Deed restrictive community. Minimum of 3,000 square feet. Now is the time to purchase your dream lot on Lake Murray.